So over here, you can see that I am in the metadata view right here. So in order to access metadata view, you can go to metadata right here, or from Windows, from Workspace, you can go to metadata view. So over here, you can see that one of the columns right here are the ratings right here. So I can simply go around and see the rating for this particular image. But I can also go around over here and let's say, for example, select this particular image and set the rating as I want right here. I can go around, set the rating as I want, just like this. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, in the preview mode. So let's just go around over here onto the labels. So apart from that, you can also go to label and select the rating as you like from over here. But apart from that, you can also go around and decrease out the rating and increase out the rating as well. So you can see that there are shortcut keys for rating as well. For example, there's Control+4 for 4 ratings. So let me just press Control+4 on my keyboard, and then you got for rating, Control+3, let's say, for example, then you got 3-star rating right here, just like this. Even if you were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, on the preview mode. So let's just go around onto review mode right here. Then around over here, you can see the rating of those particular images. So let me just go around and utilize my arrows right here. And then what you can simply do is press Control+2 or 3 or 4 right here together, and you get the rating right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see. So there's no rating right here, but press Control+4, let's say, for example, and then you got a 4-star rating around over here, just like this. So let me just go around and press escape, and then this is the rating that you get right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then set file rating as you want inside of Adobe Bridge to go around and set the rating. So you can also go around and sort it out by rating, as you can see right here. And then what you can also do is you can filter out everything by rating. So over here in filter section, you can see that you can filter out all of these images according to the rating as well. And that is how you can set file rating inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.